Thanks for coming out. You guys are the first official roadshow.
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
Create some hype for Win the Storm. How many people have been to the Win the Storm conference here? I think entrepreneurs and top producers need to be exposed to other people than industry. You need to be exposed to other people to help you start thinking how to be better, stronger, faster as an entrepreneur or top producer.
We're in a war with the insurance industry.
Taking over pieces and shares, a bomb break sky high, check the movement is here. Yeah. It's one heart, one shot, now the future is yours. Go! I'm turning dreams into reality. In the lab with the formula and chemistry. New memories spark and motivate and make the industry shake. We put the bars in the brakes. I'm talking one chance at best. Yes, painting pictures for the culture.
Hey, what's up, guys? Nick Porcel with Atlas Restoration. Really looking forward to the Phoenix Win the Storm. It has helped my company tremendously.
The insurance restoration world is a complicated world, am I right? But when you master it, I call it the blueprint, you can make a lot of money. We're going to be doing this all across the country. Introduce people to SVG virtual reality. We're shooting courses as we go. The film crew's following us.
Booyah, baby, let's go!